Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. This week is going to be another vlog and I'm going to be showing you my new Ikea furniture. So last weekend, Seamus and I actually tried to go to a few furniture stores in our area and look for a dresser. But nothing right now has anything in stock because of COVID, I guess, and they were having a hard time ordering things in. One store told us that they wouldn't be able to even look at ordering anything until the end of September, and then it would be weeks until it actually came in. No store had anything like in stock that we could take home, and I just want to organize our bedroom and make it look a little nicer, and I don't really want to wait months and months for any kind of furniture to come in. So I did go on Ikea and I looked over all of their stuff. Where I live, you never used to be able to order stuff and get it delivered without it being like really expensive, but now they have like a pickup location where it was like $50 I think to get it shipped to the pickup location, so Seamus can just go pick it up. Whereas before it would be like $150 I think to like ship it to our house. So we're saving $100 by getting it shipped to this location. Seamus is already in that area working, so he could pick it up easily. So they did call and said it was all ready. What I ordered was this bed. I originally wanted a different bed, but they didn't have it in stock in the store closest to us, so it wouldn't ship. And then I ordered this dresser. I originally again had another dresser in my cart, but that wasn't in stock in the store closest to me, so I just switched it for another one. And then I ordered this desk, and this desk, if anyone's like a big YouTube fan and they used to watch a lot of makeup videos, this desk used to be like a big thing in like the makeup community on YouTube. And yes, I used to watch all those videos, like the beauty gurus, I guess. So it was like kind of nostalgic to see that they had it in stock. I don't know, I thought they discontinued it. It has like a big drawer, so I thought that it would work a little bit better than my desk right now. And like all of these things from Ikea was like a lot less than like a dresser would have been, so that's what we went for. I'm gonna go and show you the bedroom, what it looks like now. It's a bit of a mess. Okay, so right now our bedroom is really bare, but this is what I'm dealing with right here. So currently the dresser is full of clothes, but Seamus hasn't been wearing those, and he's only been wearing these, but no more can fit in this little dresser. So we had the dog crate here since Chip was a puppy, and he doesn't go in it at all anymore. So what we're gonna do is take the crate and put it downstairs if we ever need it again. And then obviously Seamus has to go through all of his clothes, and then the new dresser will go right here. And while I was on Ikea and just looking at dressers, of course, I was looking at the beds, because we just have like a metal bed frame. Excuse the dog hair, but we just have like a metal bed frame that the bed is sitting on, and there's no headboard. Those scratches right there are from Chip, because he lays between us in the bed and then scratches the walls. So fun fact, the lady that used to live in this house had pink walls. Past the gray paint you can see the pink, but we will touch that up eventually. But I know that once we touch it up, Chip will just continue to do it, so we are going to get a headboard and then I'll touch it up after. So these are the nightstands we have, and I built these before we moved into our house. They're from Ikea, and the same one is over there. So our room is pretty small, so like the door opens towards my nightstand, so we don't have much on the walls in here or as decoration. It's just been pretty plain since we moved in. So soon we'll have a headboard, and I'm going to try and find something to put above on the wall. And then we're just gonna get rid of all of this and have a simple white dresser here. I keep most of my clothes in the closet hung up, but Seamus doesn't like to hang things up, so everything here is going to be in the dresser, and we're gonna get rid of the dog cage like I said. So this is our dresser that we've had for a really long time, so it's definitely gonna be much nicer. And I'm off all weekend and I don't have any cakes, so I'm gonna try to get all the Ikea furniture together. It's a little bit later. I was at my mom's for lunch. Me and Chippy went. While I was gone, Seamus went and picked up the Ikea stuff from the pickup place, and I'm gonna go down and see all the boxes. Okay, so these are all the boxes. This is a bed, dresser, and desk. So I think what I'm gonna start off doing is putting the bed frame together. So as you can see, I'm here putting the headboard together, and at first I was going by the Ikea directions, like the paper book that comes with it, but I then realized there's probably a YouTube video describing how to do this, and that's just what I did. I went over to YouTube, found a video, and it was much easier to follow along what someone else was doing than it was to just read paper directions. Okay, so at this point, I just finished with all the pieces downstairs, but we had to bring them upstairs to assemble because if I assembled it downstairs, we wouldn't have fit it up. Seamus helped me get the side rails on, and then after the side rails, we put the footboard down at the bottom. If you're enjoying this video so far, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this. I still have to build my IKEA desk, so if you'd like to see like a office/desk space transformation, definitely let me know down in the comments. Okay, so I finished the bed. I think I started at like 3:30 and it's now 6 o'clock, so it took me 3 hours to get this together. Seamus helped a little bit, but I did do most of it by myself, and I think if you had to do it by yourself, you could. I was so excited because I was almost finished, but then I realized I bought the drawers for underneath, so I'm going to build those after I eat supper. So I'm going to try to get my mattress on here now, and then I will finish the rest later. Okay, so here we are putting together the drawers for underneath the bed. It actually went by pretty quickly when we listened to the YouTube video again. It's easier step by step watching the video than it is looking at the instructions for us. So we get all of that finished, and there's actually wheels that go on the bottom of each drawer as well. So this is just 2 drawers of 4, and we built the next 2 tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and show you that, but this went by really quickly, and I'll show you those drawers in the next few clips. These drawers are going to be used for seasonal items on my side of the bed, and Seamus uses his on the other side of the bed for more clothing. Okay, so at this point in the night, I think it's around like 10:30 p.m. So we're both pretty tired, and I probably could have went ahead and did the other 2 drawers, but we ended up calling it a night, and then I worked on the other 2 drawers by myself the next day. Okay guys, so we have the under bed storage built for this side of the bed. So we're gonna go ahead and slide it under and see how it fits. In all the videos, in pictures, it shows the bigger one being closer to the head of the bed and the small one being close to the foot of the bed. But as you can see, our nightstand is right there, so we won't be able to pull it out. So I think I'm gonna try to put the little one up here and the big one down here if it fits the same, which it should. Okay, so here I am the next day doing the other 2 sets of drawers for the other side, Seamus's side. So I put it together pretty quickly just because we did the other 2 yesterday and I had a better feel for what was going on. If you're not a fan of putting furniture together, I would suggest maybe not going with Ikea because it is very time consuming and it does take up a lot of space in your house. So if you don't have a garage or a basement to use to put it together, maybe don't get Ikea. Or I know they do offer different services for putting it together. I'm unsure if they'll put it together at the store for you, but I know you can hire like handymen to come put it together for you. There's like a special app for that. I'm not sure what the app is called. You can see it on the Ikea website. But that service was not available in my area just because we live in a more rural location. But if you don't mind puzzles and you like building things, I think you would really enjoy putting this together. The bed and the drawers underneath were pretty simple to put together if you go by the YouTube videos. Okay, so as you can see here, I am all finished. Alright guys, I'm out of breath and sweaty, but I finished the 2 other drawers for the bedroom. So don't mind the air condition, but the drawers are all finished. So these are the ones I did last night. Watch out, Chip. And they're pretty big, so the only things I was keeping under the bed before were those 2 storage boxes, so I'll probably empty out the contents in here, and I don't know if I'll keep anything up there because it's such a little drawer and it bumps here, so I might keep some things in here that I don't have to get at all the time. Then I have the other 2 that I just did. So the next project is the dresser because I can't wait to get rid of this mess. and it'll just be a simple white dresser there. Okay guys, so I want to move on to the dresser, but I went downstairs and I don't think I can lift the boxes for the dresser without hurting myself. Okay, it's a little bit later now and Seamus says he's gonna be a little while. They went out to get something to eat, so I kind of want to start the IKEA stuff now. So I think what I'm gonna do is just build it in the basement and hope that it fits up the stairs. It's just a dresser and we were able to fit our like box spring from our bed down, so it'll be fine. Our basement stairs are pretty wide. With the bed and the drawers, I was able to use a YouTube video, and a man like showed how to do it, because the directions in the box are okay, but they have no words and like it's not very specific. So the guy on YouTube like showed you how to do it, and like personally I'm like a visual learner. I'd like to see it being done. Anyways, so this dresser is like a newer dresser from IKEA and there's no online videos for it. So I'm gonna try my best. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. I'll film it a little bit, like checking in here and there. Okay guys, I'm already overwhelmed because I emptied everything out of the boxes so I could lay it out and see what I had. It came in 3 boxes. I'm gonna leave the boxes flat like this so I can build it on top. And it's a lot of stuff. So there's a lot going on. I feel like I'm gonna be here for a while. So I'll check in with you in a little bit when I make some progress. Okay guys, I sat down here with the instructions in front of me. I'm in a basement. There's lots of junk down here. Just deal. I have the instructions and it clearly states right down there at the bottom that you shouldn't do this as a one-person job. So like I laid out all my parts out of bag number 1. It also says I need a drill bit. You see this? And I don't know where those are. I literally think they're over there, but I don't know how to take them out of the screwdriver and put it in without breaking it. So I sent a Snapchat to my entire family that I was overwhelmed. And my dad said, do you need help? So my dad's gonna come help me put it together. So yay for dad. Okay, so this morning while I was at work, Seamus went through all the clothes that were like piled up. We can take down this dresser now because it's empty. He just moved all of this over from the dresser. I have to take this quilt downstairs and wash it. It was just on top of Chip's crate. So I'm just gonna organize all this stuff and dust. It's kind of dusty in here. This is what my closet looks like. It's kind of messy right now, but right here I keep my socks, underwear, and pajamas, and I'm gonna try to get rid of this so I can have more hanging space. So since Seamus is only using one of the drawers here, I'm gonna kind of clean this side as my own and leave that side for him. So I'm gonna try to fit my socks, underwear, and bras in the top one, and then I might put leggings and workout pants in another. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got my socks and underwear in the top one and my pajamas in here. I have some pajamas in the laundry, but I realized I don't have enough pajamas, so I have to get maybe 2 pairs of pajamas. And now I'm just working on this section of my closet. I'm not a huge fan of this hanging thing, so I'm gonna try to get all of my pants into this drawer and maybe that drawer. We'll see. Okay, so Seamus and I just got rid of the dresser that was here. We took it down to the basement, and now we're gonna move this one over so it's center under the TV. Okay, so this is how my closet is now. I'm gonna try to organize it a little better since I have this hanging part out. And I don't know how I feel about the shoe shelf down the bottom. We might move that somewhere else, but. Okay guys, so we finished the bedroom and I'm gonna go ahead and show you now. So just, I'll put a a before shot of what it looked like with the old dresser. And this is what it looks like now with the new dresser. So we got rid of the old one. This curtain here is cut because of the air conditioner. I could have sewn it, but I didn't, so it's just cut. And then the wire is there, but that's fine. And then on the dresser, I didn't really decorate it, but I just have my mirror sitting on top of the watch box, and then cable box for the TV, and then my little jewelry box that you saw me organizing, and then I have my scrunchies here. I used these drawers, and Seamus has these two, and he has the ones under the bed over there. And then on this side of the bed, I use that for winter hats and mittens, and then bathing suits too. And then with the headboard, it looks a little bit nicer. I looked in Winners to try to get something for the wall here and maybe for the wall here, but I didn't really find anything I liked. If you have any suggestions on what I can put here and here, just let me know down in the comments. Our bed is really simple, so we have a quilt and then we sleep under a fuzzier blanket. I used to be the person that would have like 6 pillows on the bed to make it look cute. We have a dog and he steals the pillows and he's always up here, so we had to get rid of all the extra pillows in our house because Chip would steal them and chew on them. Yeah, so, and then in here, because I was able to fit more in the drawers, I just have all the hanging space, and it may look unorganized because I don't have matching hangers. I like to use the plastic hangers for some tops and then the velvet hangers for other ones. So off the top here I have my dresses, and then like nicer sweaters or cardigans, and then it goes into long sleeve, short sleeve, dressier tops, and then sleeveless tops, and then tank tops here. And then down here I have so this is like sweaters I wear to work. This is like scrub tops, active wear, and then I have sweaters and hoodies right here. And then over here I have a pile of stuff that I'm either going to give to some people at work that they might fit, or I might take them to the consignment shop. And then in the middle right now I just have my shorts, but then obviously this will be free space once the weather gets a little bit cooler. That's Seamus's there, so I won't show you that. And then these are bras and underwear and socks. And then in this drawer is just pajamas and lounge pants. And then in here I have jeans and like nicer pants. I have my scrub pants and there's a few missing. And then these are all yoga pants. Okay, that's it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see me build the Ikea desk that I bought, let me know down in the comments and I can do that for the next video. And I'll try to throw in some baking there too. I just didn't have any orders this week, so hopefully that's okay with you guys. But if you enjoyed it, again, give it a thumbs up, scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.